Hi friends, if you love the job that you do, you don't have to work for the rest of your life. This is the famous quote. Let me tell you in this particular video, if you can convert your passion to a profession, what difference it's going to make in your work life is what I'm going to share in this powerful video. During my school days, in the senior grade, we all had a bikers gang, and in the street that I was living, we were about 15 of us. We have different bikes, and every Saturday, Sunday, we go out and we go for a ride, and we were actually chilling out. In that particular gang, two of my friends, they were so passionate about biking, and every single element of those bike, whether it is the engine power, the configuration, the pulling power, all those small things about the engine, they know thoroughly. The moment they get a hold of any of those automobile magazines, they ensure they read it thoroughly, and every single aspect of those biking, they are the masters. Days passed by, and all my friends, we all went into different colleges, and the entire contact got dissolved, and we were all busy with our own studies and activities and all of that. Years passed, and maybe about 8 years back, one of my business development executives, he visited during the normal cold calling. He could fix one appointment with one of the automobile dealership here in our town, and he was able to meet the owner at that point of time. And during their conversation, the owner of that particular showroom, he was actually mentioning my name, and he was saying that he knew me very well during the school days and all of that. So I was not able to really place this particular person, and my business development guy gave the contact number, and I was able to reach out to him, and then we could catch up all of that. Then he said, why don't you just come over, and we can probably have a meeting. Then I met him at his showroom, and they were having this Honda dealership for two-wheelers, and he was as passionate about bikes as he was when he was a school-going kid. So we were casually discussing, and then our discussion went on for a few minutes, and then we slowly started catching up with all those olden days. And then I got to know him more about what he was doing, and what is he into currently, and all of that. During the conversation, he was mentioning that the very next day he is actually flying to South Africa for the shooting of this Hindi movie, the famous movie Doom 2, the second part of it. And I was asking him, what is your role in that particular movie production? So he was mentioning, I'm also into the business of importing bikes and selling to all those people who are passionate about bike in India. And he was mentioning that he was actually going to that shoot because all those bikes which comes into that movie was actually supplied by him in the first part, as well as in the second part also he was actually going to give it to them. So while discuss about this entire thing, I was so happy to know the way that he was doing, and he was mentioning that every year he sells close to about 20-25 super bikes in India. There were very few people at that point of time, I'm talking about 8-9 years back, in the country who were actually into that particular business. So the point that I'm actually trying to drive home is that I just recall how passion on this particular automobile and two-wheelers and all those biking can take this particular person, or any person for that matter, to whatever they wanted to achieve. So that's the power. So dear friends, the story about this particular person did not stop there. So being an engineer, he was fully involved, and he wants to get into the design aspect of the engine and quite a lot of other creative activities of the biking. So he decided to go and take a break from the dealership, and he wanted to pursue further the passion. So he had an opportunity to work with the company directly, and he's currently working in one of the top motorcycle brands in the world in the design and manufacturing support team. So, what is this story is actually telling all of us is that if you're really passionate about something, and that can take you a long way, and you will go places in whatever you're doing. So, with this particular message, I just want to tell you passion is all about how much love that you have, and you don't feel as if that you're working for that particular thing. Hope you liked it. If you're still not subscribed to this particular channel, please do so. I would request all of you to kindly like, share, and then pass it on to many friends that you can come across. Thank you very much. Bye.